Damaging winds and heavy rain will be our main threats, particularly heavy rain that's going to create some ponding issues on the evening commute. So I would ask that you have a way to get your warning should we see any issue, just in case we have a few severe thunderstorm warnings. We'll see. Again, I think heavy rain would be the main concern. And if you don't have a way to get your warnings, of course, we're biased. We're always going to recommend that 19 First Alert weather app. It is a free download in your app store. Just search 19 News. It's got free lightning data on it. You can actually see the lightning strikes. You can get lightning alerts for your location. It's really a great tool, particularly this time of the year when we're all spending a lot of time outside. And tonight, a great time to be outdoors. We're in the upper 70s, lower 80s. It's amazing. Just think back to last week. Remember how hot it was. We were in the 90s for 6 straight days. This week, totally different. If you've got something going on this evening, we are going to be dry overnight. I can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, very, very isolated, like a 10 to 20% chance. Most of tonight's stormy weather stays to our southwest. More storms, though, coming in Wednesday afternoon, as I'd mentioned. And again, some of these may be strong, so we're tracking that potential very closely. We're going to walk you through Wednesday hour by hour, and of course, we'll look ahead to your weekend coming up in just a bit.
Around noontime, is that what we're thinking, Sam?
Exactly right. So like 11 o'clock midday, right around that part. We're all thinking about lunch and you're like, I don't know, is it early? Should I eat yet or wait? That's the exact time that we're expecting these storms to start popping up. So if you've got plans basically after 10:30 tomorrow morning, just be aware that the threat is there for some thunderstorms. Now, first thing tomorrow morning, we're good to go. I think tomorrow morning is going to be beautiful. There will be a lot of cloud cover out there, but some sun getting through for sure. Warm and humid. We are in the 70s. And then here come our storms. Now, this is brand new data, and this actually brings things in just a little bit later. This is 11 o'clock in the morning. So maybe even through 11:30, you're fine. But then these storms start to get a little bit more numerous, and some of these may be strong to severe. The clock is above my head, by the way. This is noon. You can see it's getting stormy out there, and then it only gets more widespread. The main concern here is for heavy rain, which could lead to some localized flooding. This will impact the evening commute. There's going to be ponding out there, visibility issues, just not ideal to finish the day here. But some of these storms may also produce some damaging wind gusts. So be safe out there tomorrow. If you're outside, you hear thunder, you want to seek a substantial shelter immediately. The storms are out of here by sunset, so it's not going to rain all night. In fact, some of us, especially west of 71, may dry out as soon as like 6, 7 o'clock, and then everything kind of ends from west to east. Beautiful ending, by the way, to the work week. Thursday, Friday, the weather looks great. Short term, we have very nice weather out there tonight. This is a clean scan on First Alert Doppler. No showers, no thunderstorms. I do expect us to stay mainly dry tonight. Now, I say mainly because we can't quite rule out a very isolated shower or storm tonight. Otherwise, we're dry. It was windy today. Not going to be as windy this evening, but yeah, a little breezy. Winds coming in at about 10 to 15 miles per hour sustained. Of course, tomorrow, 19 First Alert weather day due to that threat of thunderstorms, some of which may be stronger. I'd mentioned the end of the week looks great. Look at this, 75 and sunny on Thursday. This is the kind of weather we wait all winter and most of spring for. And then we get it. We just want to bottle it up. That's what we're doing Thursday. Friday, a little hotter. We're in the mid 80s. And then the weekend is just kind of half and half. So the first half, a little stormy on Saturday. If you have outdoor plans, definitely have an indoor backup plan. Going to the pool, whatever you have going on, it is going to be raining from time to time. It's probably not going to rain every second or minute of the day, but there will be storms out there. Then we clear out. We get a lot less humid by Sunday. Sunday is my pick day of the weekend for sure. And then we head into July. Where did that come from? Really nice start to the new month. Hopefully we can keep things dry for the 4th. Right.